two healthcare giants, Anthem and Humana, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On one side, Anthem, a nationwide leader in insurance plans. On the other, Humana, renowned for its innovative healthcare solutions. Let's put aside the advertising and dig into what actually matters. We'll score each category so you see a clear winner by the end, and the outcome might just surprise you. Alright, here's the game plan. We're gonna break this down by price, network and coverage, Medicare plans, plan variety, and of course, customer satisfaction. Stick with me as we tackle each round one by one. Let's kick things off with price. First up, Anthem. Now, Anthem definitely gives you a wide range of plans, which on paper sounds awesome. But here's the thing, some of those premiums can get a little up there. It's not always the cheapest, especially if you're after robust coverage. Then we have Humana. Honestly, Humana is kind of known for its competitive Medicare Advantage rates, and you'll probably notice those lower copays and coinsurance, especially if you're looking at Medicare. Although not every individual plan is budget-friendly, but overall, it's usually easier on the wallet. So in the price department, Humana takes the win here. Switching gears to network and coverage. Okay, Anthem, this is where they flex hard. They've got the largest national provider network out there. Like, you could move to another state and still find Anthem doctors coast to coast, seriously. Not perfect in every single state, but for nationwide coverage, it's tough to beat. Humana, on the flip side, has a really solid presence, but it's especially strong in the southern and midwestern parts of the US, national-wise. It's not quite as broad as Anthem, and honestly that's a big deal if you travel or move a lot. Anthem totally comes out on top here. Now, Medicare plans. Anthem does offer both Medicare Advantage and supplement plans, so you've got choices. But here's the catch, not as many of those sweet $0 premium options floating around. Move over to Humana and boom, they're like an industry leader for Medicare Advantage. Tons of $0 premium HMO options and the extra wellness perks. Seniors love them. The only downside, Humana isn't everywhere yet, but overall, Humana totally dominates this round. Oh, and here's something cool, did you know? The original Blue Cross plans, which became Anthem, actually started way back in Texas hospitals in 1929. Hospitals figured out people couldn't pay big medical bills, so they created plans. Kind of wild, right? Alright, what about plan variety? Anthem gives you the works: employer coverage, individual and family, Medicare, Medicaid. The menu is almost overwhelming. But hey, sometimes too many choices can be a bit much, right? Then there's Humana. Their range is super solid as well, especially if you're a senior. Maybe not quite as extensive for ACA individual plans as Anthem, but still impressive. Honestly, both bring a lot to the table here, so this one ends in a tie. Let's talk customer satisfaction. Anthem's been doing some upgrades to their digital tools lately, so that's cool. But yeah, there's a but. They tend to score a little below average in J.D. Power rankings depending on where you live. Not ideal. With Humana though, their Medicare plan satisfaction scores are seriously impressive, and they've got a good rep for helpful agents. Claims processing gets mixed feedback, but overall, people seem pretty happy. Humana takes this one. So, putting it all together, we've got Humana winning on price, Medicare, and customer satisfaction. Anthem leads with that massive national network, and plan variety is basically a draw. On the radar, both are strong, but they definitely have their zones of genius. So if you want that epic national coverage, like you move a lot or need that employer-based security, Anthem might be your go-to. But if you're looking for Medicare Advantage or you just want an all-around senior-friendly plan, Humana is kinda crushing it there. Pick based on what really matters for your situation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next breakdown.